You can try on a new outfit without leaving your house. And see exactly how furniture will fit in your room before buying it. How about a surgeon practicing a life-saving procedure on a virtual patient? Sounds like sci-fi, right? This is augmented and virtual reality, AR and VR. And they are changing the way we live, work, and learn. The line between real and digital gets blurred. AR versus VR, what's the difference? Let's clear things up. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital stuff onto the real world, while virtual reality, or VR, throws you into a completely simulated digital environment. The metaverse is a very good example of VR. AR is revolutionizing business. Even retail is reimagined. Try on clothes without touching them or leaving your house. Place furniture in your house to see how exactly it fits. AR shopping is just convenience on another level. Manufacturing powerhouse. Imagine complex assembly instructions projected right in front of you. Or getting expert help from miles away. AR is boosting efficiency big time. Healthcare heroes. Surgeons practice in AR, patients recover with AR games. It's the future of health. AR's potential in Africa. These techs aren't just for the developed world. Here's where AR can make a huge difference in Africa. Education elevated. Historical sites coming alive, complex science concepts made simple. Imagine the impact on students. Skills for the future. Job training simulations in safe environments. AR can level up the workforce. Bridging distances. Specialists in one country offering remote diagnostics or repairs in another. AR can make expertise more accessible. The future is now. AR and VR are still finding their feet, but the potential is mind-blowing. Picture collaborative workspaces in AR. Data you can interact with. Training that feels just like the real thing. This is just the beginning. So are you ready to embrace this mixed reality future? What other amazing uses of AR and VR can you imagine, especially in Africa? Let's discuss in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.